refreshing and delicious recipe. So we're making frozen yogurt. Now we don't require a lot of ingredients and they're super simple. So what we're going to be using is 400 grams of Greek yogurt, and in the description box below I have the recipe of how to make that. We have 130 grams of sugar, normal sugar, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, and this is made out of sugar cane. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to need some chocolate along with a mixture of 1 teaspoon of gelatin, 80 grams of heavy cream, and if you don't have heavy cream, you can add only milk. But I just have heavy cream, so I'm adding that in. So we're gonna first start by adding in our Greek yogurt. And this is really thick. So your Greek yogurt is required to be really thick. This much. Okay. Now we're adding in our syrup, our golden syrup. And I'm just gonna scoop all of that in. Okay. Next, we're gonna add in our sugar. Okay. And our vanilla extract, of course. And now our gelatin and heavy cream mixture. And now, I have here some chocolate chunks. And now you can add a different flavor instead of vanilla extract. And you don't need to add chocolate chunks, because of that you're adding a different flavor. But because I'm making vanilla and chocolate, I'm adding in some chocolate chunks. And I'm just gonna mix until it's fully incorporated. So just mix it all up. And now you want to be sure to incorporate this very well. We don't want it to not be incorporated well. And our Greek yogurt needs to be in room temperature. It needs to be in room temperature. We can't put it in cold. And the same goes for the gelatin. We need to have it a little bit hot. Not too hot. We don't want it to be too hot, our gelatin and heavy cream mixture. We want it to be a little bit hot. So I'm just going to continue mixing. So I have continued mixing for a while, and now I have a nice ice cream machine here. Now what you are going to do is you're going to put this in the fridge for 2 hours. But just because I don't have time, I am going to put this in the ice cream machine right away. So this is going to go right in here, my mixture. Okay. And now I am gonna I'm gonna turn my ice cream machine on just to show you for a moment how it's gonna be. And I'm gonna turn this on. And this is gonna go on for 40 minutes. But just now, because I don't have time, my magic hand is gonna give me my ice cream, my already made ice cream. Thank you very much, magic hand. And I'm gonna show you how this is gonna be. So right here I have some chocolate shell, and I am gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. So just normally, I'm gonna pass this around on my ice cream, like this. Very nice. So I have my chocolate shell done, ready. And I am gonna, I'm gonna show you how the texture of this ice cream actually is. So So the texture is really soft. You can see that it's scoopable and it gets off right away like this. You see how scoopable it is? It's very nice. And also, I have made some popsicle sticks of ice cream. And you can see these right here. So yeah, this was the recipe of how to make your own quick, delicious, and easy frozen yogurt. Please like, subscribe to our channel. And yeah, this was the video of how to make your own frozen yogurt. Bye!